folks, welcome to the Burban Gardener. I'm your host, Ed Scheidler. For today we're keeping it simple. Just a little snort, a little wood for reserve, the old picker here. Tastes good. Today we're going to help you pick out the perfect Christmas tree. Now, you got a lot of options. You could do a Scotch pine, that's classic, old style. You could do yourselves a Black Hill spruce. You could get yourself that nice Christmas fragrance with the balsam fir. But I like my favorite tree, the Fraser fir. Fraser fir's got a beautiful color. Nice green needles. That underside with the stomates. Get you a nice white 2 lines on there. Classic. Beautiful. They have a beautiful shape. Almost never can go wrong. Almost perfect triangle every time. Holds the needles better than any other tree. Now when you're picking out your tree, you want to make sure you got as much uniformity as possible. The height is up to you. How big are your ceilings? I don't know. And you're going to have to make sure that when you buy the tree, these things have been cut a long time ago. Weeks and weeks they've been sitting here. All their nutrients and that flow in the sap and that outer layer, it's all clogged up. So when you go out there to get them to cut the tree stump off, you're going to want to take about a foot off if you can. If you can't afford to buy a tree a foot taller than you need, just go ahead and take off as much as you can. Alright, when you're putting this thing on your car, make sure that you put the trunk end first, alright? For anybody with a roof rack or a nicer car than this, you may want to put some sort of protection down. Personally, I don't care. I like to use the handles, the little handles up here to tie things off. So I'm going to do this real quick. Make sure that you take this, you're going to wrap it around the trunk and go to the other side. We'll catch you when I'm done. Okay, here we are. Just want to give you a little close-up of how I did this. See, you got the handlebars here. I tie that off, wrap it around, go around the trunk, do that on the other side, crisscross, back and forth. Here we are again, right on in here. Just tie it off. There we go. That's it, real nice. It ain't going nowhere.